Hello everybody, welcome back to Zoo Studio channel. In this stream, I will make interior 3D model. Uh, I have prepared the existing, as you can see on the screen. I will make a bedroom, so I have put this king size bed with calculated frame. So the size is 2010 square. So let's jump into it. I will put a side table firstly. So let's make a gap, maybe 10 centimeter. Then give it 90, and then 50 to the front. Hello, Archigik. Welcome to the stream. Enjoy. So let's start from making box to study the mass and the volume, so we can feel the mass and the volume with only this simple box. And make sure to make it component, because I want to make a similar side table. So we have gap to the window 45. Okay, I think it's enough. Okay, let's reduce the gap. So we have 50 centimeter gap to the window. Okay, then I will put a TV cabinet right here. Oh, this should be door for entrance. Okay, just give it 10 and then 90. I forgot to make a door here. Sorry guys, my bad. So I think I wanna make a full door opening like this. Okay, so now we have door opening, and then I will design it later. But the more important, we have to put TV cabinet here. So let's take center line of the bed, because the TV should be aligned with the bed. Then let's give a height for the TV. I think I want to integrate because this is the small room, so I have to integrate the TV cabinet and the dressing table. So let's give it 75 height, just standard for working table or dressing table. And then I think I want to make a kind of floating table, So let's give it a thickness. It should be 4 or 5, so we can give it a strong structure. Let's make all the way first. 50 should be enough. And we should reduce, of course, because we have door circulation here. Then we have to push it. I think I wanna align with this side table like this, and then I wanna align it. I think I wanna make storage here, so let's push it a little bit. Let's give it gap, maybe 50, 60, 40. But we have to put room uh, for curtain. I think let's give it 20 centimeter gap firstly. So we have room for curtain. Then give it 40 centimeter from this space. Okay, so now we have this for I want to make a tall storage unit like this. And then I think I wanna push this for 5 centimeters, so we can uh, make a nice ending detail here. I make group, we have storage here, we have a table here, and then let's take the center of the bed, and we should have a mirror. I think I wanna make full body mirror right here. I think 80 centimeter is enough. Let's give it base. Usually base for panel or mirror is 3 centimeter. And then we should have a background panel for the TV cabinet. So we have this gap to here. I think I want to make a nice detail here, so let's give it 4 centimeter. And then make it component, should be component, and then make it all the way to the floor like this, and then copy to the side, so we have this free panel. Okay, nice. And then make a 3 centimeter panel, make group, with 3 centimeter because it pushed from this panel. Okay, good way. And then I think we need storage here. uh, it should be leg room, so we only have chance to make storage right here from this TV panel. So let's make it. I think 15 is enough. It's just small drawer. Make it component, and then let's make it float. So let's give it 5 centimeter gap again. And then copy to the right side. Okay, so now we have the TV cabinet design with storage and uh, dressing table. Okay, and then I think we need wall panel. Of course, this look so flat, so let's treat this wall. First I want to make background panel for this bed. I think I want to offset. Let's take the center point of the bed firstly, and then we have gap to the side table 110. Let's offset it to 130 and 130. Okay, and then I think usually bed head has 100 height for the bed head. Let's put it, let's add it 10, another 10 centimeter, and then make a panel right here. Let's move it for 3 centimeter, and then make the panel here. Let's make it group and hide it first. So here a background panel align with bed, of course. Add a 10 centimeter, and then let's give it detail for ending the design. 2 centimeter, and then 2 centimeter here. It's too long. Let's give it 1 centimeter. And then I think we should have another panel right here, and make the ending think we need to add more 5 centimeter, so we can put lamp here or LED right here. It should be look like this. Yeah, LED here, and then add 5 centimeter again. So we have to move again. Okay. Okay, I think we need another ending to make the line more sweet. I think more sweet and more organized, so we can easy organize the material if we have a certain ending. Let's add 1 centimeter here, so we have a good detail here. Make it component because we need this thing for another side. And then we have a room for a curtain, 20. So let's copy again. So now we have the boundary, or we have a certain area that we can playing in that area. We have this, and then let's put this thing. Okay, it's already 20. For same detail, let's push it 2 centimeter, and then put the, I call it adjusting panel, so we can have unity from this side, this one and this one, because unity is an important aspect if you're designing the interior. So now we have a same design language from the bed area and then the TV area. Okay, good. Let's make a base. So in this area we need another boundary. I think let's make same design language for the door. Let's give it 4. Why is 4? Because I want to make another panel here, so it should be 4. Okay, but for this panel I will playing with a texture, so let's make a base. Let's hide the bed and the side tables, very annoying. Okay, let's make a base panel 1 centimeter, and then make a 2 centimeter square for a textured panel like this. with 2 centimeter thickness. Okay, make it all the way to the floor. Make it component. Don't forget to group. Wait, it should be 2.6 because we're gonna make a gap. Sorry, 3 millimeter from every side of the texture panel. 0.6. Okay, already component. Good. And then copy. Let's copy it for, we have 127, so it should be around 60 or maybe 65. Okay, wait wait wait, I forgot to group it because it's the same design component. We should group it for easy editing and organizing the 3D model. Okay, that's 150. Okay, here the surplus. Surplus too much. Sorry for bad mathematic. Okay, and let's copy it to another side. Wait, we should make a base firstly. 1 centimeter base. And then copy this textured model. Right here. Okay, nice. Let's delete the surplus. Okay, beautiful for now, I think. And then let's make this another panel. Let's make a base for 1 centimeter. Make it group. And then copy this panel. It should be all the way to here. Let's delete this last module because it will close by another module from this side. Put it here, and then now we have 1 centimeter offset from the texture panel. It's a same design language for every detail in this room. This detail, this one, it's now unity, have a same design language. Okay, let's copy. Now we have $150, so it should be around 70. copy times 75. Oh, delete the surplus. So we have this ending, but it's okay. It's still it's nothing because it's very small. It's okay. And then we have this small panel, so let's give it 3 centimeter thickness. And now we have door panel. So I wanna make like right here, but I need a certain line, so let's make it 250. I think this line will be used for this cabinet. Okay, for the same design language, let's push it 1 centimeter, so we can have a same design language as another panel. Let's make a door. A door is usually 4 or 6 thickness. It's according to the structure and the hinge, but let's make it like this. Okay, we have a door. We already have design for every side. Oh, this one, the side table. Because we have a floating table design here, then we should make this side table floating also. I wanna use same design language from this TV cabinet, so I wanna make it 5 centimeter thickness. Let's push it to the back panel, and then delete guide, and then copy the face, edit, paste in place, 15 centimeter, and make 5 centimeter gap. So we have this floating drawer and floating side table. Group, edit, paste in place. Okay, nice, very nice. Then I think uh, we need a shelving here because it looks too flat. So let's make a shelf, maybe let's align with this. Looks too high. Okay, Let's make it 85, I think. Yeah, it's enough. And then make it align with the bed, and then with the side table right here. No, it's that's bad. That's bad. I think we should take center point from this adjusting panel to the right side. Then we have a center point right here. Where is the blue point? The blue point. Center point. Center point. Oh, come on. This one. So let's make I think we need another scene right here. Okay. Let's make a gap, a guideline, sorry, from this around 90 and then 90, so we have 180 total. Let's make a shelf. 30 is enough. 30 square, thickness 5. I will make it same to other design language. And align with the guide that made before. Right here, make it group. I think 30 is too long. Let's make it 25. Simple. And then move it to 80 centimeter level, like this. So we don't need the guide anymore. Because it's very dangerous this corner, so we have to round the shelf. I will round it 5 centimeter. And don't forget to add a segment. As you can see, this not smooth. Let's try 30. It's smoother now. And make this round to the other side or the right side. 5 centimeter and round it. And give the segment 30. And push it down. Okay. Delete guide. So now we have this shelf. Okay. I think we need this scene. Yeah. Okay, good. Nice. So we have to detail every mess we have here, but before we do that, I think we need to treat the ceiling because it's look flat and boring. Very boring. I think I wanna make a ceiling panel from here to here. Maybe around 15. So it should be right here, all the way to the wall. And then because of it, we have a nice detail here, by the way. And then let's put a gap for the LED for the curtain, like this. Yeah, looks nice. Okay, let's push it. Okay, let's start from this side. uh, mm, right here, this is lamp. I think we need let's edit this. I think we need a lamp, a drop ceiling here. Let's make it gap for the LED. I think we need a gap here. Let's make a gap. 5 centimeter is enough. And then 5 centimeter right here. Okay. I think we don't need a gap from here because I wanna use wall washer here, so we don't need that. And then make a place for place the LED. So it's 3 side for the LED. 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Okay. Nice. And this is the LED. Okay, looking good so far. So let's back to this table. Let's detail it. uh, I only need a drawer face, so let's push it 2 centimeter and make a drawer here. Simple, just like that. Then let's make a detail for a grooving handle, usually like this. 1 centimeter. A simple drawer design. The drawer, and make another drawer for this storage. Make it group, just a same detail. Like a side table. 0.3, then 1 centimeter up. Yep, just like this. And then we have the storage. First we should make a gap from the floor, or it's too kick. I think 5 centimeter is enough. Paste in place, and 5 centimeter. From the side. Okay, that looks odd. I think 2 centimeter is enough. Okay, so I want to make it clean. I want to make a door. Right here, 2 centimeter. Let's align with the table. And then make another and align with the door mass, and then the upper storage. And I will make a same detail for the door. 0.5, 1 centimeter. Okay, zero point 0.5 and 1 centimeter. Move it inside the door. Zero point 0.5, 0.5 hit enter and move the back line into the door. Okay, then this door, I think we need a design for the handle. I think I wanna make a groove handle, and let's align with the table here, and then no, not the table, align with this panel, and then make a gap. No need a gap, just make it like this. Make it 4 centimeter. No, I think 5. And then make a groove. And round it. So we have a unity from this shelf. We have a same design language. Give it 30 segment for a smoother line, and then delete the guide, and then push it only for 1 centimeter, and then groove it. It's very hard to groove around it here, so let's just edit this side 1 centimeter. Let's add 1 centimeter again. Yeah, good. Should be like this. Okay, good. Lovely. Very nice. And next, let's put a material. I will start from the floor. I think I wanna use a concrete floor. I wanna make it minimal, industrial, but still minimalism. I wanna use material from the library. Glass, concrete. Yeah, this. Oh no, this asphalt. Let's put this. That's bad. Okay, let's edit. Just make it. Let's add a texture instead of using this bad material. We should take from the library. I have a good concrete texture. Where is it? I have. What? Wait. This one. Okay. Let's just use this one and change the scale. It should be 300. No, it's too big. 200. Okay. Looks too dark. Let's make it light. Make it lighter. Make it lighter. Yeah, like this. Next, we have wood texture. So I want to use maybe two kind of wood texture. Let's add the light one. I will put the light texture right here. Let's scale it 100. Okay, and I will use this to the ceiling. And then to the wall. No, not the wall. Yeah, I only use that for the ceiling and also the back panel. Now let's add the darker. Let's add the texture, the darker one. I think I want to use for the top table. We should rotate the texture. I think there is a plugin, but I not install the plugin yet. Let's just do it manually first. It's very important. The strain, the wood strain way. I think that looks too big. Let's change it to 80. Yeah, that looks better. And then I will use this for the door or the toilet storage. Okay. Yep. I think we should use this. And then use this one For the background? No. Mm, 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 mm. The background. No. Let's try this color. Okay. That looks better, and then I think we should use the light one. Okay. Use this and a solid color. I wanna make a solid color. Let's take the color from this and then make it darker. Yeah, like this. I will use it for the drawer. For this textured panel, and then adjusting panel, accent panel, where's another accent panel? This one, accent panel, and then two kick for this lower cabinet, and then the float, also the lower cabinet. Okay, so we need this texture. What if we use this texture? Yeah, that looks good, the accent, but it's have a wrong grain direction, so we have to rotate it. Okay, done, and apply to the all texture. Okay, good. This panel should have like a same. And then make adjusting right here, and then I want to use how about the ceiling texture? That looks odd. I think we should use this color. Yeah. Yeah, that's better, I think. This, like this. Okay. 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 I think we need a texture here. It should be a mirror. Mirror. I will use metal. texture. Oh, that looks weird. Pastel. I will use this one and then make it lighter. Wait, let's reset. Make it lighter like this, and then let's make it right here, and then right here. And then right here also. And concrete floor. Then black color. Black for the door frame. Okay. This outside frame. Okay. It should be mirror. Glass. Yeah, mirror. Okay, good. So we have the design for every side of the room. Next, we need to put a lamp. So I think we need. There should be hanging lamp right here. Hanging lamp, and then we need a wall washer right here, of course, to highlight this area. Mm, 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 mm. So let's make a center point. And then 15. No, I think 20, 25. Yep. And mark to the center point. Center point for this area. And let's make a wall washer. Usually washer is small. It's only 4 centimeter. 2.5. smooth segment, and thickness it's not too thick. No, it should be half centimeter. Make a line for a guide and then make it component. Okay, then let's put this to here, because we're gonna put a decoration here, and then put again in front of the door. And let's make a center point here. It should be right here. Let's make a center point and then mark it to here. And make a gap 30 centimeter from the panel, like this. Yeah, it should be 30. Don't make it too far, because the purpose of this lamp is for washing the wall. That's 15. No, not 15. 25. Okay. We have this lamp. And then copy. Copy to here. Copy to the TV panel. And then we need another. I think it's too much here. It's too much. Let's only put one in the middle, and then copy again in the middle of the mirror, which is very important. And then this one, I think we don't need highlight this one. This one should use pendant lamp. I think just a simple pendant lamp. Like kind of tube, maybe 4 centimeter diameter. Make it smooth, double segment. Yeah, just simple light right here. Make it component, and then simple lamp right here. And offset for the cable. offset again for the structure. 2 centimeter push, 0.5, and color it black to make a contrast from the back panel. Cut it inside the table component. Okay, simple, looking good. Draw the gap. It's enough. 60 gap. Yeah, beautiful. And then last we need to put the decoration. Let's put some decoration. I think we need a general light right here. General light, maybe yeah, around here for the path. Let's make center point. So it should be around here. And just copy this tree lamp to here. Delete guide. Yeah, I think we don't need. I don't know. Yeah, I think one is enough. And then we should make AC unit. AC unit. Let's put it maybe around here. $75. And then align with the door. Okay. And then for the let's align with the table or right here. 28. Then right here 4 centimeter, then 4 centimeter here. Okay, so we have a thread off right here. It's not aligned to the storage, but we have a big gap here, so it should be looks okay. Make it right like this. 4 centimeter. Wait, before we push it, we should make it black. Let's make it black like this. Push it for okay. Delete guide. Yeah, we have a bad thread off here, but I think that's okay. Yeah, we have a thread off. But it's still okay. Now I will put decoration. Let's see my previous project. Bed. I wanna put bed. Just copy it from my library. Let's open it first. Maybe take a long time. Okay. I hope. Okay, okay. And I will take the carpet also. Not too long. Let's put to our model. because making bed from zero, I think it's just wasting time because the shape is just generic. We don't need to play with the bed design, I think, because I just love a simple bed. uh, no bed design, I think a bed frame design. Oh, that's a problem. Now we need a plugin. I think we should install the plugin extension warehouse. Yeah, 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 yeah. JHS. No, no, no. Power bar. Ah, yeah, now I need that. How about if we smooth from here? Entity. Wait, wait. Soften edges. Can we soften this thing? No. Yeah, we need a plugin. We really need the plugin. I think I have to edit my SketchUp, so I will close the SketchUp first and then back again to the stream. Because it's a brand new SketchUp, so I have to install the plugin first. Where is my plugin? Okay, let's back again. I have copied the plugin. That's a lot of plugin. I think it should be pop-upping brutally to my screen. Yeah, that's brutal. Yeah, we need this GHS power bar. We need this one. We don't need texture position. Round corner. Join push pull. Fredo scale. Make face we don't need. Ruby sketch. Fredo tools. Sketch UV. Yeah. Okay. Just one click in this one. AMS soften edge. It's very helpful. Look, just one click, and it's solved. And this one, see, just one click. Okay, let's put this thing inside the model. We need a top view. Okay, let's put it right here. Okay, and delete the box. Done. Nice. Okay. Now we have to put TV and decoration things, but I want to put a chair here. Let's see from my library what we have here. Chair, simple chair. This one. Yeah. Let's see from the layout. Yeah, it should be like this. Just for chilling right here. Yeah. Okay. And no, yeah, the puff here. Chair right here and right here. Okay. The puff thing. choosing loose furniture is very tricky. We have to put something that unity and align with our design language. Mm, yeah, I think this should be fit. Yeah, but it looks too classic. I need a simple. Okay, I think let's just make it. I need a simple. Mm, 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 mm. Simple puff. Where is it? I need a simple puff. Okay, I think I have to end the stream because it's already late here. Uh, I have to work tomorrow, so thank you for watching my stream. See you in the next stream, guys.